When you sign up for Microsoft 365 Business, you automatically become a global admin. If you want, you can make other people admins as well to help manage the business. Let's get started. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Users, Active Users, choose the user you want to make an admin, then select Manage Roles. Uncheck the user's current role, and we'll make them a help desk administrator so they can look after support tickets, monitor service health, and reset user passwords. Select Save Changes. Then close the window. If there's an external IT person you would like to help manage your business, you can add them as a global admin. On the Active Users page, choose Add a User. Enter the user's name, display name, and username. Choose to have the user's password emailed to them. Type their email address. Separate multiple addresses with semicolons. Then select Next. Choose the user's location. We don't need to assign this user a license because they'll only be managing the Microsoft 365 services and not using them. Select Next. Open the Roles section, uncheck the user role, and choose Global Administrator. Then Next. Review your settings, select Finish Adding, then Close. Your new global admin can now help manage your Microsoft 365 services.